welcome to this week's Make and Take craft session. This week we're making a very easy flying paper rocket. It has a little straw, a large straw, and a rocket for the kids to draw and decorate any way they choose. I also drew a little green alien inside mine for fun. So you want to color the rocket first, then just take one piece of Scotch tape, tape the bigger straw to it, and the smaller straw goes inside, and the kids, when they're all done, can go outside and blow the rocket up into the air by putting your mouth right on this end here and blowing into it, and you can have contests to see whose rocket is going to fly the fastest. So come to the library this week and pick up your Make and Take craft kit and see what you can make. Don't forget to send me pictures at pgamitrovich@walklib.org. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.